Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace Chrysler Pacifica key fob battery. Start by prying open the fob seam with a flat tool and lift the top carefully to expose the battery compartment. Remove the old CR2032 cell with a gentle push and slide, then seat the new battery with the positive side up. Reassemble the shell, snap it shut, and test the buttons to confirm the fob works. Begin by locating the seam around the key fob and insert a thin flat tool or a guitar pick into the gap. Twist gently and work the tool around the edge until the halves begin to separate without forcing them. Lift the shell carefully and set aside the top piece while watching for any spring or plastic clips. This approach minimizes damage and keeps internal parts secure as you access the battery compartment. With the fob open, note the orientation of the old battery before removing it to avoid incorrect installation. Gently lift or slide out the old CR2032 cell and insert the new one with the positive side facing up toward the cover. Make sure the battery lies flat and the contacts are clean. Then realign the two halves of the shell and snap them together until you hear the clips engage, ensuring the fob is secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.